Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to kickstart a new series of healthy eating, meal preparation. We'll discuss macros, protein, carbs, fat, quick, easy meals. This one today is a roasted lemon rosemary chicken. We're going to bake it or roast it in a cast iron pan. And a few simple ingredients. We've got some red potatoes, carrots, onions, rosemary, and lemon. First thing is we want to make sure we have a good cast iron skillet, very large, well seasoned in. We'll maybe do a follow-up video on how to season and clean your cast iron cookware. First thing we want to do is get a tablespoon of olive oil. We need 2 tablespoons total. We're going to do the first one right in this pan. We're going to get it ready for the potatoes and the onions and the carrots. First thing we want to do is start with our pound of red potatoes. You cut these to your preferred size. I'm just going to kind of cube them up real quick, throw them in the pan. Our next step is let's take care of our 3 large carrots, any size you like. All right, I'm only going to use about half the onion. We're going to use a large onion. Some people want maybe a little more, some want a little less. Forgot to mention in the intro, we need to add a couple of cloves of garlic and mash them, and they'll go right in with everything else. So we have 3 sprigs of rosemary. I bought fresh rosemary, and we're going to strip 1 sprig, and we're actually going to chop that up and throw that in our pan with our onions and vegetables, garlic, potatoes, carrots. Rub the bird down everywhere, because what's going to happen is we're going to have him in the oven, and we want this skin to brown and crisp. We're going to cut our lemon and stuff our rosemary. So we're going to take our 2 sprigs of rosemary, stuff it in that cavity. All right, we got our rosemary stuffed in there. So I'm going to clean up a little bit of garlic. Take that, get that all stuffed in that bird. Usually we would trust this chicken, but I don't have it stuffed with anything other than rosemary. And we're gonna lay it right in the pan. Last step before we go to the oven, just nice little half cut. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do 2 lemons this time. Just nothing wrong with a little extra. We got our oven preheated to 475. We're going to put them in there for 20-25 minutes, and we'll let that skin get brown and crispy. Then we're going to back it down to 400 and bake it a little bit longer until the internal temperature hits 160. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. We'll give it a quick check. Maybe a little early, but have a look. Oh yeah. Listen to that, boy, it does smell good. Lemons are starting to take, skin's starting to brown. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, good looking bird there. I'll come back in a few. Bird. Check. Yeah, looking real good. Right on the money, perfect. Let's serve it up. All right, the last thing we want to do before we carve this bird up is grab one of our charred lemons and squeeze it over that meat. Well, that sucker's warm. All right. let's just see. I want that. Oh my gosh, that was wonderful. Hey, if you like this recipe and you like the video, hey, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, tell us you like us, leave us a comment, we'll get back to you. And just so you know, this will feed 4 people. It's approximately 80 grams of protein per serving. We'll post these macros up. It's real low on carbs, single digits, real low on fat as well. And we'll get that posted. We'll post the recipe and any other links related to this video. Thanks, and come back and see us.